Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Welcome back, Friendly Kajima here. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a 조미김 seasoned lever. So 조미김 is very popular in Korea, among Koreans as well. So as a banchan or snacks like potato chips in the Western countries. So if you ever came to Korea, then you could see lots of people, they just buy the pre-packages 조미김 and they just wanted to give it away back home to friends or the families, right? Even when you go to H-Mart, one section could be filled up with lots of 조미김s, right? So today I'll make a special 조미김. So if you are curious, please stay tuned. Simple ingredients you can prepare untoasted dried seaweed and we will season with porilla oil, just normal cooking oil. It can be any type of, not specific, and salt, sugar. I'm gonna use raw sugar today and sesame seeds, please. Now these days, you can buy the seasoned Laver packages at a grocery so easily. Even when I was young, we couldn't buy it, but I could see my mom, lots of times she made this for us because she believed that that one is not healthy, right? So what she did actually, she just brushed it on one side of the seaweed and she sprinkled a little bit of salt and she toasted it. So that was so nice and very delicious. So today, I'm not trying to make this. I want to make 김자반. 김자반 has a little sweet flavor. This one only salt, but we're gonna add a little sugar for that. So when you find a poor condition seaweed, do not throw, do not dispose. We can make 김자반 with that, so that will be also delicious. So firstly, we're gonna just cut the dried seaweed. You can just tear it off with your hands. But I'm just gonna use the scissor because this is more convenient. Cut in half. Then you can cut onto this side and one more with this. We have a strings of dried seaweed. This is too big, so we still need to cut it into small pieces. You can just fold it in half and cut. So we're gonna cut into this side. After cutting them, I'd like to use the sieve just to remove the seaweed crumbs. And just to shake it. So after doing it, then you can put those ones into the bowl. Do you see these crumbs? Will not help your 김자반 delicious, so just remove. Otherwise, it will make your 김자반 burn. We can use sesame oil, perilla oil, and just normal cooking oil. It just all depends on your preference. I'm going to mix perilla oil with the normal cooking oil because we're gonna toast the seaweed after cutting it. Then the ignition point, the firing point is too low with this only perilla oil. That's the reason that I add some normal cooking oil. Some people are saying because the perilla oil is too expensive, so they want to just add a normal cheap oil. That is just a joke, right? So I'll just laugh. Anyways, we can put 2 and 1. Add perilla oil. 1 portion of just normal oil. Then we can mix. I don't want to pour the oil into the seaweed. It's because then some of them are so greasy, very oily, and some of them even no oil, right? So just gently apply on your palm and you can rub it. And take the bottom one to the top and just see whether they are cutting. Okay, you can rub it. I guess all are good. Actually, we can put salt and sugar after toasting it because if we put it now while we are using the heat, then it will melt the sugar and it will be less crispy. So how you can check the temperature? Just get one little piece of the seaweed and just to see whether it's okay to toast. When the dried seaweed just turn to a light green in few seconds, just like this, then you can put the dried seaweed into a pan. I will not put those ones at once into a pan because it will be hard to flip it over. So I will just toast twice. So it's just better to use the two spatula and flip it. Just keep doing it, otherwise it will burn. So you can see the color gets changed. I guess this is enough. If you're not so sure when to stop, you can just try it. We're gonna be quick when the heat is still remained. Fine salt. Sprinkle it over. Mix. You can hear the crispy sound. More sugar. This is also my mom's suggestion. She said when we are using low sugar, then it's a little less sweet, but still it has like a honey flavor, and this is nice. So you need to mix it well. Lastly, we're gonna put some sesame seeds. So you can use a grinder and put the ground sesame seeds. If you're not a big fan of sesame seeds, then you can skip this. But still, when you add it, then it will give you more flavor, and that is very delicious. You can mix it. When you mix it, you need to do it gently, otherwise it's already toasted, so very crispy, it can be broken. Make a rice bowl like this. When you have like a beer party, so you need to have like a light snacks, then why don't you just prepare this and you can serve with nuts or dried fruits. Maybe you can make like a 5 to 10 sheets of dried seaweed. You can eat it for 1-2 days and you can make another one. So when you just keep it, then you can use this like a zipper bag. You can seal it so we can avoid to contact with the air. If you don't have this, put some air in it. Tie it up thoroughly. Like this. So right before you eat it, you can shake it. So we can keep it in those two ways. So I truly hope that you enjoyed my cooking channel today. So if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button for me. So I will see you on my next video. So thank you and 또 만나요.